Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's Coronado Springs room tour. So this was our first time staying at Coronado Springs and we are now checking out. We stayed for 3 nights. We got in really late Wednesday night, stayed Thursday night, Friday night, and now today is Saturday. So just wanted to give you a review of our room, show you around, show you things that we liked, if there's anything that we didn't like, and then I'll have a little like video montage of a little bit of like the actual resort. So let's get a look at this room. Here's our room, fully lived in. This is a moderate resort, so it is a lot bigger. We have this nice chair over in the corner. We had a corner room, so we had 2 windows, 2 queen beds, and lots of lighting. So right over here on each side of the bed, you have this reading light. It just turns on once you pop it open and goes up and down. And since this is a newer room and it is a moderate resort, you're going to see that Keurig machine. Then we have your ice bucket and some extra storage shelves. Right below that, this is where your fridge will be. Again, this is just a small beverage cooler, so it cools to 41 degrees and above. So just know that if you're getting items from the store that need to be cold, if you have milk or anything, then there's just this nice little desk space. Very large TV. And then you have plenty of drawers. Since this was a quick trip, I did not unpack my items in the drawers. Jackson always does, but it was nice and large. Would be really good for like a week-long trip. And then on this desk area, you have 2 plugs and 2 USBs here. And then you have them over there as well by the lamp. And then you have a full-length mirror. These doors were really nice too because they completely closed, which kept out any light from the bathroom. Coming into the bathroom, this is where your closet is going to be. So this closet has plenty of hanging space, has extra pillows and blankets, a steam iron, an ironing board, and some hangers. And then just the bathroom in general was very large. Loved the 2 sinks. And there was more cabinet space and storage up here. So if you were staying for a long time or had 4 people in here, you would have plenty of storage for all of your bathroom items, and then even more storage down below where your hair dryer would be. The only thing I didn't love about this bathroom is that this lip right here hangs over pretty far. So if you're looking looking down at the sink, it was kind of hard to wash my face. I just kind of had to like angle it a little bit, but I liked the extra storage that allowed. And then in the shower, so there is a tub and a shower. You have 2 shower heads. You have a regular one, and then the bigger one was more like a rain shower. And then you also get the H2O Beauty. This company has discontinued, like they're no longer a company. So I'm not sure what we will have in the future, but I'm sure they have a ton of stock. So just working through that right now. Lots of towels, and then this is a pocket door that just pops out. Nice soft closure. In between the beds you have these cute little pictures of, I believe that is Donald and the 3 Caballero guys. You have 2 plugs and 2 USBs on each side. You have your main bed light switches as well. And then you have a top drawer. And then, since this is an updated room, you're going to see that large under bed storage. So good for suitcases, golf clubs, anything that is larger that you want to keep out of the way. Favorite feature of the room is probably the ceiling fan. We were shocked when we got in here and a ceiling fan was in the room. We were very happy about it. We love a good ceiling fan. So the trip started off great once we realized that we had one in our room. We loved staying here. The resort was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So they have 4 bus stops, I believe. And we did have one day that was really hard to get a bus. So we just went ahead and took an Uber over to Magic Kingdom. But I think there was just a lot of traffic, and that's what was keeping the bus waits a lot longer because of the Christmas party. But they do have some restaurants here and a quick service option as well. And they do have like a huge convention center area where like the older lobby was. They have many different room types here. One of the newest ones is that Grand Casino Tower. We have not stayed there yet, but from what I've seen, it is gorgeous and beautiful, and like just a whole new lobby area over there is really nice. So we definitely would stay here again. We really enjoyed our stay. Our room number was 6163, and we were in building 6A in the Ranchos. So different sections. Oh, and the pools, they have 2 pools, I believe. And the one big pool is really cool and super fun water slides. I'll try and grab a video while we're heading over to the... So this is a larger resort, but they do have a lot of signs, so we never felt like we were lost or anything. It is gorgeous. Great trails. So here's the main pool, the dig site. They have a pool, snack bar, and arcade. And as we come around the corner, we'll be able to see the big pyramid that normally has water running down it. I don't believe it's open yet for the day, but that is a fun little feature. And then here is the Grand Casino Tower. So this is pretty new. I'll put the date on when this opened on the screen. I believe it was in 2019, possibly right before COVID. And then right over there is the convention center. Restaurant. So it is a very pretty property. This was our first time here and we really enjoyed it. I didn't know what to expect. I think this was our first stay at a moderate resort as well, and it was nice. Room size was good. It was a little bigger than that value. I did miss my Skyliner, but it was fun. Here's a closer look at the tower. So each resort has a lot of different activities that you can do, and always look for these signs or ask a cast member to find out what activities your resort has for that week. it for our room tour at Coronado Springs. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really enjoyed our stay here and can't wait to stay here again. Please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Have a magical rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.